Want to turn your Wix website into a social media magnet and get more eyes on your awesome content? First, head over to your Wix editor and click the Add button located on the left-hand side of the screen from the Add panel. Select Social to reveal a range of social media integration options. Look for the Like button. You'll typically see the iconic Facebook thumbs up symbol. Now, simply click and drag the Like button element onto the desired location on your web page, whether that's below a blog post, next to a product image, or anywhere else you want visitors to show their appreciation. Next, let's customize the look and feel. Click on the Like button to open its settings panel here. You can tweak the button style, choose a layout that best fits your design, like a standard button, or one that includes a like counter. One of the most important settings is the data source. Specify the URL you want people to like. It could be the specific page where the button is located, or your entire website. This ensures likes are attributed correctly. To track the effectiveness of your like button, regularly check your Wix Analytics dashboard or connect your site to Facebook Pixel. This will give you insights into how many people are liking and sharing your content, allowing you to optimize your social media strategy. Now you can spread awareness and engagement to your website.